Okay, so the problem stated, it was the third one. It said a 5-pound bag of cat food costs $11.25. Sketch base 10 pieces to show how to determine the unit price of cat food in dollars per pound. So I'm going to send you, I'm going to turn my phone this way so you can see a little better. Many of you simply just wrote out this. So you had 11, I don't really quite know what many of you did, but as an example, many of you would just write, somehow try to identify that $11.25 using some type of pieces. Then you would put the division sign and then some form of 5 and then said that that was equal to $2.25, which is not how we should have tackled that problem. Ideally, we have $11.25 and we want to know, if we were to break this up into 5 equal groups, how much is in each group. Okay, so right now I've made myself 11 flats, 2 longs, and then 5 units here to represent $11.25. So I want to know how many groups, how many of these I can put into 5 equal groups. So I'm going to start with my, and start distributing my, my flats using some groups here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And it looks like I have enough to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had enough to make each group have 2 more flats. But now I have this last flat here, and I'm not quite sure how I can split this guy up into 5 equal groups. So therefore what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this flat with 10 longs. Okay? So let's see if I can click him and erase. Oops, we don't want to erase that guy. We want to keep him here. So I'm going to click on the 10s and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm oops, 10. We're just going to put him off to the side here. Okay. So now I'm going to see if I can't split up these longs into my groups evenly. Okay, it looks like I have enough to make each group have 2 of them. Okay, and now, oh gosh, now I have these extra longs here, and I don't have enough longs to go into 5 groups. So what I need to do is exchange each one of these longs for 10 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to disperse them into my groups of 5 here. So 1, and just keep dividing them up into 5 different groups. And hopefully we have enough, it comes out evenly. That would be ideal. And so I'm going to keep going here with all of my units. And if you want to, I'll send in the email this link that I'm using. So if you want to play around with base 10 pieces, you can do so. Perfect. Okay, so I've now made 5 equal groups. I started with $11.25. I made 5 equal groups, and it looks like each group has 1, 2 flats, 2 longs, and 5 units. That's equivalent to $2.25. And that's how we use base 10 pieces to divide. So watch those videos that I'm sending you, do the worksheets that I sent you, and that very last problem, you're going to be able to redo. Let's see here, this problem here, the one about Elsa putting money in her savings account and in her wallet. This problem will be part of, at the very end, after you do all of the intervention activities that I ask you to do. You'll be able to redo this problem and gain 5 extra points. I'll add that to your your grade 6 quiz, okay? So good luck. Please stop by my office between now and next Thursday if you have any questions or if you need more intervention with any of the tools that we've been using.